existing RAM design and themes that the designers might have followed in the past. So same thing here also. So you might collect 20, 30, 40, 50 images, but out of the 30, 40 images, remove the repetition. Pick out only the images that represent different things and put it here. Okay? And the third part talks about current trends in fashion and RAM design, which is not related to the particular designer. It could be worldwide things that are happening in RAM design. Okay? So that you kind of put down here. So we've broken down the research in specific parts now so that for you to express is easier. Okay? And then it comes down to this where you actually putting down the inspiration, and the first side of the inspiration is about the trend.
The same thing applies to fashion too. This part of it, the trend analysis, we're making it a trend analysis not to copy. Copy करने के लिए नहीं, but to actually understand what's going on around us in the world and trying to see how our work is going to relate to it, or how work is in a is in a certain kind of quality. So the trend analysis for interiors and fashion both is very important to understand what is going on around you. Okay, so also please, if we've given place at the bottom to write names of these trends, name of the designers you're looking at, please write the information. It's very important to know whose work you're looking at. Okay?
And see, basically, when we talk about trend here, we're not saying that you go to a trend website and just download the trends. Yeah, because her industry का trend अलग होता है. Okay, so what we are trying to say is that while doing a research, when you're doing a research and brainstorming and all of that, you see a pattern that starts occurring in your research. You know, out of 50 designers, RAM design that I've looked at, there might be a lot of.
Sorry to interrupt, Wasim. There is a JK Associate Designer. Please, can you make it mute? Irritating because वो recording कर रहे हैं आप mute पे नहीं रखे. थोड़ा तो भी knowledgeable करो.
हाँ ठीक है, उन्होंने mute कर दिया सर. ठीक है. हाँ. So basically, when you're talking of trends,
who's recording? Who's recording? Are we recording?
Anji ma'am, I am recording. Don't worry.
All right.
Cool. So basically, we're saying that when we're talking of trends here, when we start doing the research, when your understanding starts increasing, you start seeing a pattern. Okay, a lot of designers are doing work with, let's say, sustainable material, or a lot of designers are doing work with technology, or a lot of people are doing work with, let's say, going back to the roots. Okay, so you start seeing these patterns. The more you research, you start seeing repetition of these things happening, and these are nothing but these are trends, because a lot of people doing a certain thing together becomes a trend. Okay, so we are trying to say that you can go to the trend website and also look at trends and put it here, but we want it to be more relevant to the project that we're doing right now. So if you're doing a RAM design, I would want you guys to put trends that you see while you're doing the research for RAM design, and while doing the fashion design part of it, you put trends related to fashion design and not generic trends. Okay, in a lot of presentation you've seen that a lot of people have put let's say architects or interior designers का काम जो है as a part of the trend. कि certain company का Rockwell Associates है या जो भी है उनका काम trend में डाल दिया है. So that's not actually the trend. The trend is a certain pattern that you see in what's happening around us. Okay. So I would want you guys to focus on macro trends like let's say human machine interaction, or technology, intervention of technology, or going back to the roots, or nature and man-made mixture, or let's say cross-cultural influences. So those are trends that we're talking about when we're talking of, let's say, something like, let's say, global, which is global and local. You produce local, you produce something that is global. So those are trends that we're talking about, because that kind of reflects a larger perspective of what we're trying to do. So though we are doing a small project for, let's say, Lakme, or doing a collection for our own label, let's say, the aspect of it being locally relevant and globally appealing is also important. So we have to look at macro trends and micro trends both and kind of match them together. Okay, so that's what we're saying, that you look at the RAM that are made at Lakme, or look at the RAM that are made in other local, let's say, shows, but at the same time look at really innovative RAM that people internationally do. We might not be able to apply the same things maybe to our project right now because of maybe sometimes the size, the budget, or the scale, but the understanding of why people are doing a certain thing for a show is important to understand. Okay, why are people using technology? Why are people using LED screens so much? Because what happens is, if your space is small, as soon as you put LED screens, the space becomes seamless and bigger. That allows you to make the space bigger than what it actually is. It allows you to bring about some kind of dynamism and interaction, or let's say a dynamic or a movement to the whole space. Earlier, it used to be physical, let's say, set design, but now because of the intervention of technology, dynamic lighting, screens, you can completely change the environment that you're creating. So we need to understand why people are doing this thing as a part of our research and put those down as things that we can include. So if we can't include big technology interventions, maybe you can take the intent of that and put it in a small scale, which can impact the way we look at design. Okay. So the whole part of research and understanding is obviously exploring all of this and getting a feel of what is available for us to use, what are people doing and what are people liking, how are people doing it, and what impact does it have. This is the basic premise of the first stage. We are not thinking about कि design क्या होगा, मेरा inspiration अभी क्या
Don't
होगा.
worry about that just
All
now.
that we're not talking about right now. We are only trying to understand, are we aware of what people have done? Are we aware of what people are doing? So that when we do the design, it should not be like, अरे ये तो 10 साल पहले किसी और ने कर दिया था, ठीक है? या ये तो बहुत पुराना लग रहा है, अरे ये तो मेरे साथ connect नहीं कर रहा है because not trendy enough. So just to not kind of be at that stage when we get to design, it's important for us to understand what our surroundings or the scenarios
Okay, for example, with what's going on around us, कितने Zoom call कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इतना technology, suddenly we're all talking to each other like this. Otherwise, we would have been with you guys in person. So that's why we keep saying technology has become the new trend, right? So we're talking about technology. How do we look at technology? So we're not just saying that we should do like fashion shows online or we should do online workshops. We're saying that we're doing it for a reason, right? So after 20 years, when someone looks back on this time and does their research, that is the reason why suddenly they will see that shift between physical interactions and digital interactions. And why did it happen? It happened for a reason, right? So Zoom calls are not just trendy anymore. It's in trend because of a really, really important aspect that's affected life, and we found this as a solution for it, if that makes sense. So when we're talking about trends, let's be aware of what's going on around us and try and analyze that information to understand how trends come. You know, suddenly you're going to see lots of digital fashion weeks, okay? And this is for interiors and for fashion people. You will see it. You'll see Helsinki Fashion Week is starting soon, and the whole thing is going online, right? It's great because it's sustainable. There's a lot of there's not that much wastage of material, but also because the fact is that we can't do a physical fashion show at this point of time, right? So there are lots of reasons because of which things happen. So let's start to be more aware about those reasons also.
Okay. So once you do the trend and then you get down to the next stage, which is basically from your brainstorming sheet, which had a lot of words, and then you had a lot of images after that, we kind of synthesized it to one slide where I want you to put 8 to 10 keywords that you actually pick up from the whole brainstorm that actually has uniqueness to it. Okay. So we remove all repetitions, we remove things that are irrelevant while doing a research, which doesn't apply to our field, and put down 8 to 10 keywords that will help us take this forward. Okay? And then post that, you have 3 slides of images that we have asked you to put, which is basically saying that out of the research, while we were doing the research on the designer and his work, you might have seen a certain pattern or a trend or certain way that he does things. And based on that, you could have found keywords, and those keywords can get translated into certain imagery. So basically, next, your three slides are there to show images have to be relevant to the keywords that you put here. Okay, so if I put the 8-9 keywords here, which let's say I put, let's say for Sabyasachi, I'll do let's say traditional, or I say luxury or royal or intricate, whatever we put down words here, the next 3 slides have to reflect those imagery, but we are saying 3 different ways of looking at the same words.
It doesn't have to be Sabyasachi's garment photos at this point. You've already done the research on him, right? So if you're saying royal, traditional, you could be researching maybe a place or maybe a palace that's really royal that has that same reference. So at this point, and the same thing applies for fashion also. Even we have this section where once you've done all of your research, trend analysis, at this point of time, it's called images inspiration. You start to shortlist and edit. You start finding imagery that's more focused, that's that's going to actually move towards, let's call it your mood board eventually, right? So these images is what you will eventually find on your storyboard, your mood board.
Yeah, so basically when saying inspiration 1, 2 and 3, so if I have 10 words here, inspiration 1 doesn't need to cater to all the 10 words. You could pick any 3 words and then do the inspiration on that, and the second inspiration could be any other 3 words or 4 words. So we're saying that we're looking at different routes to achieve the same thing. Okay, right now we're not saying that okay, this is the only Sabyasachi hai, royal or traditional hai, तो बस सब रॉयल और ट्रेडिशनल ही करेंगे, बट रॉयल एंड ट्रेडिशनल करेंगे, there might be multiple ways of expressing the royal and traditional, right? Traditional might mean different things to different people. So we're saying okay, these 3 imagery boards are basically 3 different routes to achieve the same thing, let's say. Okay, I could do traditional and royal even by using technology, and I could do it without using technology also. Okay, so these 3 basically are 3 different routes that we want to take, but we don't know which route we'll take later further on. So as you go down this whole process, when you get to design development, is when we actually shortlisting it to a final one. So once we come to these 3 different directions, that's when we start doing the review again of the work that's been submitted. Sorry, my kid started pulling a table away because he wanted to play on the same table.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, ask.
हाँ, मोना मकवाना फॉर जोधपुर. सर, जरूरी है कि ब्रेनस्टॉर्म में हम लोग ओनली डिजाइनर का लें सर? एक्चुअली मैंने 2 स्लाइड बना दी. वन इज डिजाइनर का एंड वन इज माय थॉट, माय रिसर्च.
No, see, all of the research that you do is your research only. Okay.
No, sir. I think कि one is designer. Fashion designer is my fashion designer is Manish Arora. Okay. So I think brainstorm words according to Manish Arora. Then I select some particular my research according to her stage.
Mona, we'll come to questions and answers later. Let this session happen, and then you guys can put questions. Otherwise, it'll everybody start putting questions, so you won't be able to continue.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll answer your questions, queries little later.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sorry.
So basically, we'll only talk you through till this second only. Okay, inside wale stage tak karenge because everybody is kind of targeting doing this till this stage correctly.
Let's do this much first correctly.
Then we'll come to the next stage.
And then we'll do the next stage after that.
Yeah, so right now we still haven't spoken about design.
Yeah.
We've spoken only about information collection, your understanding, your insights, and some part of your inspiration, let's say.
You can have your collection write-up, your concept name, collection write-up, collection note tak. We'll come and stop at that point, right? So then we'll understand where you got your research from, your trend analysis, and how you basically derive that research and inspiration to make it your own. Don't go beyond that right now. Don't try and draw anything. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
And read carefully what's written on the slide before doing anything. Okay?
Yeah.
What we'll do is I've made more notes also specific to the presentation you guys have sent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down in a mail as a generic point saying that we have observed that a lot of people are doing this, so that everybody gets a copy of that and they can follow basically. Because
also I feel like one more thing is I would really appreciate it if you guys did this as an individual task. It's very important if it's possible, because I know there are lots of, in fact, it's harder for us if there are more presentations. But honestly speaking, we do feel like if you do it individually, it's going to be more beneficial to you, because then you're not, whatever your soch is, aapka soch is not going to go into conflict with someone else's, because design is a bit subjective. So right now, let's look at each person addressing this project individually, if it's possible. Yeah.
So I think we can take questions now.
Yeah.
1 minute before we start with the questions. Wasim, supposedly we've done till here. We'll give a timeline till when they're supposed to submit the work. So it could be 10 days, it could be 15 days, whatever timeline. But I would request that the faculty please adhere to the timeline, because it's only after we will be picking up only those faculty who has given the work to us. If you don't give us the work, we will not call you for the next meet, right? And everything what we do is going to be in your favor and your betterment, guys. तो आप लोग प्लीज अपना काम उस टाइमलाइन के अंदर दो ताकि we can call you for the next level of meet, right?
Yeah,
So,
and basically, by looking at the
when
presentation,
we should give them a date when they're supposed to
yeah.
submit the
So
work.
basically, some people have done because the interior ka presentation was revised and sent again. So some people have done it on the revised one, and some people done it on the older one. So I would request all the interior guys to look at the new presentation because it's more structured for you to do it. So even if you've done it in the old one, just adapt it to the new format. Okay, so just so that everybody's format is similar and understanding. So if you want to add one extra slide here and there, it's okay. Okay, we'll give you that much freedom, but don't go around changing the whole template because I have presentation that doesn't look like anything and it's very difficult to read through it because it's been over designed at places. Okay, so even though the work might be relevant, but because of the way it's been put across, it's not really being understood really well. Okay, so just try and conform to the template that you've sent because we want to keep it clean and concise and precise so that we understand exactly what you're trying to say. जहाँ पर 2 वर्ड मांगा है 4 वर्ड मांगा है ना वहाँ पर 100 वर्ड मत लिखो ठीक है because वो क्या होता है कि then we're not trying because there's so much written so we can't understand what you're really trying to say. So let's not get into large elaborate write-ups. If you say keywords and phrases, write keywords and phrases. ठीक है हाँ जहाँ पर concept note है वहाँ पर आपको बोला है कि 100 वर्ड का आप write-up लिखो synthesizing everything. You put that there, but don't put a huge write-up with every image or because see, what happens is sometimes fewer words is easier to understand because it's clearer. You know, if I'm putting an image that I have selected because it showcases, let's say, sustainability, so you just write sustainability there or sustainable fabrics and just put that one image there and not write like a whole philosophy behind that. Okay, so try and keep it concise and to the point so that we understand what you're trying to say. वरना वो क्या होता है कि वो गोल गोल घूमने लगता है वो आप शुरू में पढ़ना शुरू करते हो एंड में आते हो समझ में नहीं आता कि पूरा पैराग्राफ में बोलना क्या चाह रहे थे आप
I was just thinking maybe Anju we can do one thing
Yeah.
if everyone has questions if they can put their questions in an email and send it to us like an FAQ we can
Yeah.
just reply to those questions and send it back also.
Absolute. But थोड़े से questions ले लेंगे.
हाँ, थोड़े से
we
questions.
did some, we
We'll
did
take some
some.
right
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those could be everybody's solution also.
I have a meeting in about I have to go in 5-10 minutes. I have another meeting at
So
4
take the
o'clock.
fashion
So
question
can you
first.
ask me fashion first and then Rasim can continue and I'll come back. I just have to go do a testing thing. So anything in particular for fashion in particular? Otherwise Rasim's here, he can answer your questions. No?
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. This is John from INFB Salt Lake.
Hi.
And hi, ma'am. And we have already sent you the first phase of our questions and
Yeah.
the training program.
Got it.
Ma'am, जैसे आप लोगों ने समझा है, the trends that we have to submit, we have to follow the trends and we have to put the pictures according to the trend scenario. Ma'am, can we reshuffle all those things because we have already submitted the mail
Yes,
to you
please.
and it was being
Yeah.
like,
So
appreciated
on-
from the academy.
So based on our conversation today,
It can be
you just
reshuffled once again, ma'am, for the first
Yes.
phase.
yes, you can. So you can take your presentation that you've already
Because
sent
ma'am,
us.
आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से अभी समझा है तो how to put the trends and how.
Right. No problem. I think we should give them that. You know what? We won't check any more presentations till you don't resubmit these ones. We're not checking anymore. Wasim will just give you some feedback pointers or whatever we saw. Based on this conversation, everyone can take their presentations, reshuffle them, re-look at them, and resubmit them in maybe 10 days from today. Yeah? And
Yes,
then
yes,
we'll
yes.
start giving feedback on those ones. I think that's a good idea.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyone else for fashion? Fashion, no? No?
I had one concern there, like this. Hello,
Yes, I can hear you.
hello. Am I audible? Yeah, all right. So I had one concern there. What has happened is that as per the timelines that we were given, 4th of May was when we had to send you second phase. So we have in our center, we've kind of completed phase 2 also. So I wanted a little clarity on the color board part of it. So you've asked for a couple of color palettes there. So of course we've taken a craft and color palettes are similar. Could you please elaborate a little there? Because colors are pretty much same. So we have picked up like 4 different palettes.
Yeah, I understand, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to confuse other people. So what I suggest, Ishani, is you send me your presentation. You relook at your presentation, send it to me. Okay, and let me give you feedback on that. If you guys have moved ahead, no problem. But don't, like, based on our conversation today, just ensure that your phase 1 is sorted. Okay, and then when we move into phase 2, we can review. I don't want to confuse other people by having this conversation.
All right. All right.
I
All
don't-
right.
yeah?
All right.
Is that okay?
Yeah, we'll just stick to the
Perfect,
first
perfect.
phase only, and those who have already given will be still there only, and later on we'll come.
But you
to
can go back and review your presentations and shuffle it, like John said, to fit what we've had this conversation today.
Actually, ma'am, will be a great satisfaction from our end too. Like, because the way you have explained us in a very beautiful way, and so we can reshuffle so many things and we can resend.
That's
That
good
will
to
be
know.
the
Good to know that you could hear us properly.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
worried you guys couldn't hear us.
Hello.
Yeah, in the beginning, initial period, it was a bit problem with the audio, means with the problem with the means I
Hearing.
cannot listen. But it was fantastic.
Thank you.
Hello.
Anyone else for fashion?
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, Nikita.
So on the trend analysis, I'm sorry if I am repeating something because there was a technical issue. I
That's
couldn't
okay.
hear you.
Yeah.
So what we have done is, like, in trend analysis, we have taken WGSN and other focused as well, all over together, and we figured out the many trends in different genres. So we only chose the trends which are kind of relevant to our brand ideology and our brand identity and what we are overall working on. So am I on the
That's right. That's correct. You do. I'm sorry, it's
Okay.
raining here, so I don't know if it's going to be a bit distracting. But that's what you need to do. You need to basically follow the trend based on your inspiration. Can you all? We'll have to move inside, I think. It's
Yeah,
actually
okay,
raining.
that's
Sorry.
okay. That's okay.
Raining over here. I'll take you inside. Sorry. Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to actually work on the trend analysis based on your brand's or your research. So
Yeah.
don't worry about trying to get sorry. Okay. So don't worry about trying to get to do extra trend analysis. Do only the one that's applicable to your inspiration. So what you did was correct. I haven't seen the presentation in particular that you're talking about. I
We
will check
haven't
it.
sent it yet. We have completed it till phase 1 and we'll just
But
recheck.
now put it according to the performer we have sent you now, so it will be
Yeah.
easier for you. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. This is Akanksha from Bhopal INFD.
Hi.
I just have a one question about the first slide, that is words and phrases. Can you just elaborate it once again? I have a little confusion about
Sure.
that.
So with words and you want us to show it or you want me to talk about it?
Talk about it.
Okay, yeah. So basically with words and phrases, what we're referring to is when we are brainstorming, right? When we do our first round of brainstorming in keywords, we write a few words or we write a few phrases. We may even write a sentence. That's okay. Okay, so what we want you to do is put those words down on that sheet. So this is basically your keywords or phrases or maybe a sentence. But the reason why we say don't write a paragraph is because we feel that when we're starting to do our research to write an entire paragraph, you keep beating around the bush. When you're writing words and phrases now, it's more direct and to the point. So even you, when you're, and this is the point when you're also understanding, learning, researching. So you also want to go back to a sheet that's very easy to understand. Okay, so even if you have a paragraph in your head, you put it down as keywords. Okay,
Thank you so
cool.
much.
Thank you guys.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. This is Sharanya from INFD Salt Lake, Calcutta.
Yes, Sharanya.
We are a bit unclear about till where is phase 2. I mean, till which slide do we have to complete for phase
Just
2?
complete
one,
phase
I'll
1.
tell you. Phase 1 for fashion people, I'll give you the slide number. It's a slide
Yes,
that
ma'am.
talks about your collection name and concept note.
Slide 22.
Slide 22.
Yes. Slide number. Okay, wait. I don't have the number, but basically after that is a sheet called design development.
Design development, right. Till that we have submitted, yeah.
So before design development is where you have to stop.
Yeah, so that is submitted. I wanted to know about phase 2, which we have to submit on
That will
4th.
come later.
That
That will
we'll do
come later.
after this. So after 10 days, we're going to
Okay.
expect you guys to resubmit your reshuffle phase 1s. and
Okay.
then onwards we'll start working on phase 2 together, based on all
Okay.
your
Thank you so
being
much.
complete. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
If I get done and come back, I'll see you all here. Otherwise, Wasim's in charge. Yeah?
Hi, ma'am. This is Shekhar from IIT Jodhpur.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a query. जो first slide है like about the brainstorming and word and phrase. I'm still confused कि what word and phrase or paragraph we need to put, like related to our inspiration or the research we are doing, like about a trend.
See, for fashion, your
Yeah.
research and inspiration is actually very interlinked, right? So, for example, if you're saying that I am, for my research, I am taking inspiration from maybe something that's inspiring me, but I, like say Bohemian.
Okay.
Or let's say India. Okay, India is a big research, is a big point of inspiration. If I say India, right? So at that point of time, I still don't know what in India I'm going to look at. India is generic. India is a big word. India could mean anything, right? So in your first brainstorming, you will brainstorm on that inspiration that is India, which will be like very right. In the second time that I'm asking you to brainstorm, I'm asking you to give me a more focused keyword list.
Okay.
So by the time I reach so when I finish with my initial research, then my trend analysis, and then coming down to defining my inspiration, at that point of time, it should be super focused on what exactly your inspiration is.
Karishma, can I come in one word here?
Yeah.
When they're doing their mind map and they're doing their research, like diversion and this thing, I would want them to even submit their rough sheet.
Yes, yes.
When they're doing their mind map, I would want them to submit their rough sheet also with these presentations.
So what you can actually, in the place that we have kept on the presentation now, it's an image you can drop. So technically speaking, you can drop your rough sheets over there, not a problem. We have no problem with your rough work. We just want to see that the work is happening in a particular way, and with I mean, I know I'm not talking to students, and you all know this, you all say this same thing to your students also, but we just want to see the work in a particular way, right? So yes, it is on all your rough work also is very valuable, so don't throw those sheets away. Please put those images in also. If you feel you've got more to put in and you've got less place, you can duplicate the sheet again. Understand? So if you're saying I have to put 20, 30 images and I only have place for 10 images, don't stuff 30 images on one sheet. You duplicate that 10 template for me 3 times. That's okay. Does that make sense?
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes.
Can I ask?
Ask.
Yeah, ma'am, we are having a slide of where we have to stick the pictures of a designer work, which is according to our inspiration. So there are so many pics where the designers pick जो उन्होंने काम किया है हमारे इंस्पिरेशन के हिसाब से वो लगाना है. तो अगर मान लीजिए हमने अबू जानी लिया है, तो अबू जानी का हमारे इंस्पिरेशन के हिसाब से अगर 2-3 पिक्स आ रहे हैं तो हम 2-3 पिक्स लगा सकते हैं, या सारे ही डिजाइनर अलग लेने हैं हमको?
That's not a problem. That's not
We
a
can
problem. Yes, you can. You can maybe put up all those pictures can be a one designer also, no problem. But remember, what we're doing there is only to understand what people are doing. Your work is not supposed to be that. We are only doing, अच्छा हमको सूफी इंस्पिरेशन लेना है, हमको पता है कि ये सब डिजाइनर लोगों ने सूफी से इंस्पिरेशन लिया था, उन लोगों ने ऐसे 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 ट्रांसलेट किया था, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं भी सेम करूंगी. मैं सिर्फ वो समझने के लिए रिसर्च दूसरे लोगों ने क्या किया है मैं उससे दूर रहूं. ओके कि कॉपी ना हो. या
थैंक यू
मैम. हेलो मैम.
हाय.
मैम हेलो.
Yes.
A very good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I am calling from Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur NIFT. I have one question. I always get stuck in that thing कि जब हम Pinterest पे जिस सीजन का हम बोर्ड्स निकालते हैं, like AW22 2021, तो मैम there are lots of inspiration and there are lots of themes. And I always stuck something like कि जो भी इंस्पिरेशन है, क्या हमने जैसे मान लीजिए 5 हमने थीम्स बोर्ड निकाल लिए वहां से, तो हम कैसे उनको उससे अलग जो डिजाइन्स निकालने होते हैं, हम थोड़ा सा इसमें प्रॉब्लम होता है कि लाइक अभी जैसे नियोमेंट चल रहा है, जैसे नियोमेंट का ट्रेंड में आया, तो नियोमेंट को हम कैसे और दूसरी चीज में कन्वर्ट करके सेम उसी थीम से रिलेट कर सकते हैं मैम?
So
So
when
this
I'm
is my
asking
question.
you, जब मैं आपको ट्रेंड एनालिसिस के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ, मैं नहीं चाह रही हूँ
जी।
कि आप ट्रेंड एनालिसिस करो और वहां से आप अपना इंस्पिरेशन निकालो। मैं चाहती
Okay.
हूँ कि आप अपना जो इंस्पिरेशन है अपने अंदर से निकालो। इट मे साउंड
Okay.
फिलोसॉफिकल बट इट्स ट्रू। कि मुझे क्या पसंद है, व्हाट इज इंस्पायरिंग मी। फॉर एग्जांपल आई
Okay.
एज अ पर्सन आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड, आई एम एज अ पर्सन आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय इंडिया, बाय कल्चर, right? So that's what inspires me. Then I look at that as my inspiration and I start to look around different trends. So when I do my trend analysis, then I understand that okay, India is not the trend. India trend में नहीं है. Okay, जो trend में है वो है sustainability, वो है natural
Okay.
fabrics. Right? India trend में नहीं है.
Exactly.
पर इंडिया में
Exactly,
हम
ma'am.
लोग सस्टेनेबिलिटी इतने सालों से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, हम लोग हैंडलूम करते हैं और वो सब चीजें सस्टेनेबल है। तो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर टेकिंग हमारा जो इंस्पिरेशन है, जो हमको इंस्पायर करता है, और टू अंडरस्टैंड इफ इट इज एप्लीकेबल और इफ इट इज I'm sorry, I can't get the word. We're just trying to understand if it is appropriate.
Fits
Yeah.
appropriate.
Yeah, if it's appropriate. अगर is it current, is it too old? क्या ये चीज है जो किसी like for example to come now and to talk about like let's say if I did a collection on healthcare workers or if I did a collection on death by COVID, is that something very nice to do?
Hello.
Religion.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
या मैम आप अब आ रही है आपकी आवाज, डिस्कनेक्ट हो रही थी आपकी आवाज।
80% अल्कोहल वाला है।
हेलो।
So trend analysis is done to understand if your inspiration is
Some problem with the connectivity.
Yes ma'am,
sorry,
actually
the network is getting really jammed because it's raining very heavily suddenly over here. I don't know what's happening to
Okay.
this country and to
so
this
that's why ma'am.
yeah. No, Harsh,
Okay.
I don't mind having this conversation with you in some time. It's not a problem.
Yeah,
but,
definitely ma'am.
It's really not about saying कि आप एक trend लो और वो trend से कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करो. That's not what
Yes
we're
ma'am.
saying, right? We're saying that you look at your own inspiration and find and just see if it fits any trends that are happening right now around us, because it's very
Okay.
important to be aware of what's going on around us.
Exactly, ma'am. Ma'am, अभी जो बोले, ma'am, this is John once again.
Yeah.
Ma'am, अभी sir ने जो that the technology you're talking about, the technology. In the trends analysis, we can show the technology also. For example, if my information is all about Taj Mahal, so I can take an example of laser cards. That means of various techniques of laser cards of different fabrics and the ornamentation. So can we put all those things in this trend report, like?
Yeah, why not?
The new technology, all the things.
Harsh, if you
Yes,
hear what
ma'am.
he's saying,
Right.
like he said,
Yeah.
Taj Mahal is an inspiration, right? Inspiration is
Okay.
Taj Mahal. But as
Okay.
of now, the different trends that are happening, trend of technology, to understand how he can translate the Taj Mahal into a potential project. If that makes sense.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly. Ma'am.
Okay ma'am.
Because we can show the
I'm
intricate
understanding.
portions
So listen, guys, there's nothing right or wrong. Do this exercise once. Let's do this exercise once together, and we will obviously work with you guys, and then these questions will get answered once you start doing it step by step. Okay.
See, the whole purpose about doing it is when we do it, it gets easier for us to understand. Right? It can give us a proper process because we know the final thing, but sometimes miss the process. So I would like say go slowly with every detail, submit every work, but in a performer. Extra rough work needs to be given, but you need to put it in that same performer and give. Don't come to conclusions to the second phase. That we'll explain. But आप research जब कर रहे हो तो आप अपना research शुरू करो second phase का भी, ताकि when you start with the second phase you have a little idea how it has to be done.
Yes.
Right? But submission of work has to be just some phase one.
And ma'am, one thing more कि most of the thing कि हम start कहीं से करते हैं, बीच में कहीं आते हैं, and the end कुछ और ही चीजें निकल के आती हैं which is related from our other related from our thing.
ऐसे हमेशा होना है.
ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
तो मैम एक्चुअली आई एम लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड कि ऐसा कैसे हुआ, फिर हम डिजाइन, हमारा जो डिजाइन होता है वो कहीं से कहीं और ही चला जाता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई रियलाइज कि oh my god, what is happening with me? I just come from here and I'm where I am going right now. So that is a confusion with me most happening in my
Okay,
in
so there
that
are two
time.
ways. There are two ways. I'm going to quickly address this point. One is कि आप एक जगह शुरू करते हो और एक जगह खत्म करते हो. वो normal है, क्योंकि आप जब डिजाइन का प्रोसेस करते हो आपको पता नहीं कि आप where you start from, आप रिसर्च करते हो, you know, analysis करते हो, रिसर्च करते हो, definition करते हो, edit करते हो. So your inspiration can change what you thought your collection is going to look like. That's okay. Okay, but the problem is if you don't follow the steps and आपने peacock से शुरू किया और फिर वो सिर्फ peacock बना, that's a bigger problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's better that you move from point A to point Z. Then if you move from point A and it looks like A only and A पर खत्म हो गया. But also if you follow the steps, you won't get confused. So you're saying I am taking the research, I am doing the analysis, and this is how I'm moving ahead with my process, correct? So the point is that if you actually follow the design process, it could be upar, niche, aage, piche. But sorry, Zain is is distracting me.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am.
No, that's okay. So your design process could move a little bit, but to reach that point, you need to have it set first. So learn the rules first, and then you move them around. So
Then
if
you can
you follow
break
the steps that we've given you right now, trust me, it will help you to stay on track. But don't be scared of going from one inspiration to your inspiration changing. Don't be scared of that.
Okay. And man, one more question, ma'am.
Yeah, ask.
जितने
पूछो.
हेलो.
Yes, ask.
मैम जब भी हम जो कलर बोर्ड बनाते हैं, अपना जो भी हमारा कलर पैलेट होता है, लाइक वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ 5 to 10 color board. I mean, in one sheet, I am taking a 5 to 10 colors from our theme.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, what will happen in that case? Can we choose every color in our design, and we have to select a few of colors?
आप confused कर दोगे.
This we'll do in the next phase.
The next phase.
Color boarding we'll do in the next phase.
Okay.
So that will be better. Let's stick to.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I'm gonna be. See you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Where is Wasim?
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
Yep.
In the meanwhile, can I ask Anju ma'am if we are going to have a similar meeting for phase 2? Like
Yeah. You will have lots of meetings, guys. Every stage I'll be there with you guys.
So the starting one, so that we can actually orient you to how to use the presentation and how to go about the whole thing. But after, I think every stage we have meetings planned. So Anju, I think we'll inform you.
We'll be doing it with levels also. Level 3s we will divide in a smaller group so that it's easier for us to commute also.
Right. Also, we are getting a revised date for submission of phase 1. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anything on the interiors? It's like really like crazy outside, all the water from the terrace.
So we would like to ask something.
Yeah.
Yes, so for the inspiration board, you said to specify 10 words, and then next 3 sides are for different images of inspiration.
Right.
So those 10 images can be for one word depiction also, or it has to be a summed up thing for the 10 words.
See, technically, when we're saying that after the brainstorm and your understanding and research, you kind of come down to 10 keywords that define what you're going to do, let's say, or define the essence of what you're going to do. We're hoping that the inspiration images that you put after that should encapsulate at least 3 to 4 words per inspiration at least. Because if you start doing inspiration on every one word, then it gets a little two-dimensional in that sense. Okay. We'd like you to approach this from like multiple angles. So we would at least say that the inspiration that you're choosing should at least capture 3 or 4 at least core essence of what we're trying to do. So it should not be only one.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, interiors, I thought there would be lots of questions coming.
Hello.
I think I explained it very well.
Sir, So should we take LFW or similar set to be to get the limitations?
Yeah. I think we'll stick to that only. I think everybody
Okay.
has that, so we'll stick to that because right now we don't have any other reference. Right?
All right.
We stick to that so that at least that's actually generic to most RAM shows that happen across the country, and it's
So
slightly
then
larger than
there were
most of the other places. Sorry.
they sir sponsorship sponsor board की जब हम बात करते हैं कि उसको छुपाना नहीं है and all that. So if my designer is big enough, तो sponsor board
नहीं,
still
अभी what we do is we let
should be key?
that particular restriction we'll let go of right now. Saying
All right.
that all the branding should come in because that starts limiting our design a lot. Okay. So right now let's focus. So even though we're taking the physical parameters, let's not take their subjective parameters of किसके show में क्या logo दिखना चाहिए.
All right.
Kind of let go
Perfectly,
of
sir.
that right now. है ना?
Thank you. Understood.
That can always be manipulated. That's one.
True.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, I feel the project is not going in a direction for interior designers. If the way fashion designers are having some spring summer collection, so can we get a defined collection and then we go to the for the designing of the RAM?
Right. So we said that initially you have to either shortlist a designer or let's say a certain essence of the designer's work. Let's say, okay. So if I'm saying I'm not able to focus in one particular designer, then I take the genre, which is basically the domain that he works in. So if he works in bridal wear, it's fine. If he works in clothes, it's fine. If he works in a certain kind of avant-garde kind of this thing, so you can take that also as the basis.
So
So
I studied two of the designers. One
Right.
is Gaurav Gupta, and another is Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla.
Right.
So both of the designers, like both of the teams, are working on different design aspects.
Correct.
Gaurav, as you say, Gaurav Gupta is temporary designer, and he is working on absolute new concepts like split and speeches. And if you go for Abu Jani, then they are absolutely traditional work.
Right. So you basically choose between one of the two. First, you have to choose between one of the two. Either you take Amit Agarwal or you take Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla.
Right.
So and once you take either of them, no, whether it looks at one collection of theirs or multiple collection of theirs, if you look at their work, there's a commonality between all their collections. So I would kind of request you to take the essence of what their brand stands for and do the ramp based mostly on the brand's principles and not so much on that collection principle. वरना क्या आप collection पे जाओगे ना तो बहुत specific हो जाएगा वो.
वही मैं
I would say that because we're talking of designers who are well established and have a very strong language. You know, if you're a designer के हर collection season to season हर collection बहुत सारे designer का अलग होता है. ये collection अलग है, अगली बार कुछ और दिखता है, पिछले अगली बार कुछ और दिखता है. So because you're taking Amit Agarwal and or Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla, their work doesn't change so much. Okay, if Amit Agarwal does edgy, sculptural, architectural based designs, let's say, which are very detailed and structured, let's say, so maybe that could be the essence for his whole brand on and off. The dressing change every season, but the purpose still remains the same. ठीक है, तो आप वो एक ब्रांड आप एक डिजाइनर को फाइनल कर लो
उसका रिसर्च करो जोर से, then only be able to actually analyze.
Right.
True.
Hello, sir. This is Amit from INFD Leicester Street.
Yeah.
Sir, what I wanted to ask was, since you talked about designers first, but suppose if I am intrigued by an idea, say I am intrigued by artificial intelligence, and if I kind of study and brainstorm on that and do my research work, so based on that topic, multiple designers might have done multiple things, and I kind of research them out and select few designers, submit the work. So is this process fine, or should I need to start with designers and see their work? Can I start with an idea and see certain design trends according to that idea, and then kind of narrow down my design or my to a certain inspiration and certain elements through which I can brainstorm and create something?
No, that's also possible, but why we have not given you that liberty to do that at this stage is because then it basically again starts from your a fixed idea. Okay. So I don't want you guys to start the project with already a certain idea in mind. Okay. So once you're saying that okay, a lot of designers actually work with the same principle that you might have ideas on, let's say, okay, and then align it to that. I would rather say that if you pick up designers, let's say who are social activists of some sort, let's say, or believe in the certain philosophy that you are, let's say, inspired or moved by, take one of those designers and then start from there.
Okay, fine.
ठीक है? Because उसमें क्या होगा कि आपको फिर opportunity मिलेगी कि आप that idea that you're starting with, that becomes one of the ideas and not the only idea.
Right. Okay, fine.
Okay, so we want to expand the opening first and then narrow it down to what you really can do with it.
Okay. Got it, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. This is Priyambada from INIFG Roorkee. Am I audible? Yeah. Sir, so I want you to explain trends once more because there is a slight confusion in that. Can you please explain trends again?
See, what are trends generally? Trends are nothing but an insight or analysis or future forecast of things that happen around us and how we look at the future based on what is happening currently today. So that's basically trends. So trends current hota hai and future forecast uska addition hota hai. Okay? So when we say things are trendy, we mean to say that okay, today if we wear that, then we are in sync with the time today, let's say.
It can be national or international.
It can be national or international. It can be national or international. Okay?
The kind of trendy thing is going around, we need to stick those pictures there, right?
Right. So basically, and trends are not very, very micro trends. It's usually macro trends and micro trends both, but I'm telling you to focus on the larger trends. Trends that are actually happening, let's say nationally or internationally. Not city wise के अभी अहमदाबाद में ये trendy है और ये अभी क्या बोलते हैं नागपुर में ये अभी trendy है नहीं. We're not localizing it to that because we want to do something for a larger audience. So basically we're talking at least of let's say national trends or international trends. Really trends are global mostly, and within the global trends, your smaller micro communities have the other trends. Okay. So I'm telling you to focus on the larger aspect of trends and not very, very micro understanding of trends.
Definitely.
So you can, I mean, there are multiple sites that give you research on what's happening and how people forecast trends. So the product design के लिए अलग होता है, industrial design के लिए अलग होता है, architecture के लिए अलग होता है, fashion के लिए अलग होता है. So every industry has its own forecast, but there's certain things that are common to all of them. Okay. So like currently we are in a situation of COVID and Corona, the impact of that on us, right?
Yeah.
This whole impact of the last 2-3 months will reflect in certain trends that will emerge for the future. Okay. So basically, whatever happens or changes around us impacts a certain way of looking at things, and that comes out as a trend. Okay.
Sure. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
So, can I speak a little bit? Can I ask a question, sir?
Yeah.
So, actually, I would like to ask in this slide number 10, it's written out your current trends in fashion and fashion ramp design. So, do I have to define the terms of fashion also, or only the ramp design?
No.
Trends of fashion do.
Yeah. So, because there are 3 aspects of research that you're doing, right? First is the designer and the clothing that the designer makes, let's say, to understand what he does and his principle and philosophies. The second is the kind of ramps he might have done in the past, or the kind of shoes, or basically his expression. How do he express his garments? That's the second part of research. And the third part was generic ramp design that is happening across the world. Doesn't have to be this designer. So we are not talking of his clothes on the ramp. We're basically talking about general ramp design all in all. Okay.
Trend in ramp designing we are talking about, right?
Right.
Okay, that's okay then. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Sir, there are designers who are like who do outdoor shoots more, who are like very much doing the shows on outdoor basis, right? So are we like have to constrain ourselves towards this only, that we have to be constrained on like closed compact
there has to be some, there
or
has
we
to be
can
some
take the outdoors also?
what I'm saying is there has to be some constraint. Okay. If everything, let's say, I mean, we have to also look at, you know, we are interior people, right?
Right.
So if things start happening outdoors, then हमको कौन काम देगा, correct? है ना? So even though there is a possibility of doing, let's say, thematic shows, and like, you know, people are doing shows on ships, people are doing shows in bazaars, railway stations, all that are existing scenarios, okay? But that is the part of, let's say, it's more event design. It's not so much RAM design, okay? So what we are trying to do is we are constraining ourselves. We are putting our own limitations, saying that even if, let's say, this designer does a lot of outdoor based expressions of his work, how do we bring the outdoors in the indoors? So if I have a physical constraint के भाई आपके पास पैसे नहीं थे, आपके पास कोई fancy venue hire करने के लिए पैसे नहीं है आपके पास वही standard RAM show है, how do you give the same feel of outdoor or exteriors within that enclosed space with the restriction that we have? Okay.
Right.
So our physical restriction is common for all of them. So that we are not going to change because we have to express this in interior terms. Okay.
Right. Right, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Anybody else?
I think rest can send their questions to you on inbox.
So it's me here, Chandni. I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, mostly Lakme India Fashion Week is, it's usually done in St. Regis, Mumbai. So do we consider the banquet hall size, the same banquet hall size, and then accordingly go ahead with the ideation and the design? Or is it that, or if you can recommend some kind of a format or any kind of a dimension or, you know, those kind of constraints so that we are more focused in the next phase also?
No, we take the same format that we all have of the Lakme Fashion Week. Okay.
As in the venue.
Yeah, the venue. So whether it happens in the Geo Gardens or whether it happens in St. Regis, the banquet size or the interior space and the RAM size is almost the same. That doesn't change.
I think they've shared with you the RAM size and all that, but in case you need to, Wasim would be able to share it with you later.
Yeah, so basically, I mean, see, even if the venue changes for Lakme, it doesn't matter, the RAM size and the venue size remains the same. The indoor space still remains the same. Okay, so that sizes are there.
It's in Geo Garden or in St. Regis. The venue will be the ramp and all.
The side limitation still remains the same. It doesn't change.
Yeah,
the backdrop and the size and the seating, all of it remains the same. The format remains the same. What I can do is I can share the older plans that we have so that everybody has the same ones.
Yeah, that would be nice.
That would be better. That would be much better, sir. Much better.
I'll share that with you, Jasmine, and then Jasmine can forward that to you guys.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yeah.
Sir, I have done the trend analysis according to my designer. So is it fine, or should we see it as a whole, that what trend is going on in the whole world, or should we limit it to the designer only?
No. See, anyways, we have done the designer research and his ramp research. That's already there. Okay. So there's one aspect of it where we're talking about everybody else so that we can bring the designer at par with whatever is happening globally. Okay. So that's why the trend should be more focused globally and on a larger scale and not the designer only. हमने डिजाइनर पे रिसर्च कर लिया, उसके कपड़े पे रिसर्च कर लिया, उसके रैंप पे रिसर्च कर ही लिया है, तो उसका हमको एसेंस समझ में आ गया है. तो एक एस्पेक्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो डिजाइनर से लिंक नहीं है, but because his show is getting performed with 15 other designers globally, let's say, it has to be at par with that. So we have to understand what's happening globally. So you're basically nothing but trying to understand competition or trying to understand current scale of what things are doing. ताकि वो मतलब at least current scenario में it looks like it's made for now and not like an outdated set.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So is everybody done?
Yes, ma'am. We can leave the questions later.
All right.
Questions,
I think we've scheduled the next date for the submission and all that, and then uske baad there will be a talk with Wasim and Karishma, and then uska next stage.
What I'm going to do is we'll put it into a mail whatever points that we've discussed and whatever happened during this meeting, we'll lay it down properly. This is what was, carried out, and the future date for the submission would be given to everyone. Swati, if you still want to ask, you can please carry on because you've been waiting for a while.
And I think the next session will happen in interior and fashion separately, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be possible.
Swati, ask.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to ask something about the second phase, but like sir is saying that let's complete the first
we'll
one.
do that
As
later.
Chandigarh.
Phase by phase. We only
Yes,
talk
ma'am.
phase
So,
by phase. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, so we can talk about this later, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
सर जैसे अभी मैम ने बोला अगर आपको कोई रफ आइडिया आता है तो आप उसको भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. सर जैसे ब्रेनस्टॉर्म में मैंने डिजाइनर का रफ आइडिया काफी लिया तो वो एक एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर दें उसमें. बाकी खुद की रिसर्च अलग है अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेज एंड ब्रेनस्टॉर्म जो डिजाइनर है उसका रिसर्च कुछ करा ताकि उससे कनेक्टेड हो जाए दोनों.
आप रफ वर्क जितना भी सबमिट कर दो कोई इश्यूज नहीं है.
आप ज्यादा काम सबमिट करो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ज्यादा काम सबमिट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एटलीस्ट दिस स्टेज पे देयर इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
अलग एक्स्ट्रा ऐड उसी स्लाइड में ऐड करके दे दें.
आप डुप्लीकेट कर लो स्लाइड डुप्लीकेट करके ऐड कर लो. ठीक है.
ताकि वो थोड़ा मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा कि उनके जो मेन फीचर्स जो लिए थे वो किस बेस पे लिया था.
तो बेसिकली आप रिसर्च फेज पे ना आपको जितना स्लाइड ऐड करना आप कर सकते हो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिस स्टेज इज अबाउट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सी एज मच एज वी कैन. ठीक है. बट इसके आगे जो फेजेस आएंगे जहाँ पर को एडिट करना है ना
उसमें
वहाँ पर आपको मैं रेस्ट्रिक्ट करूंगा बट अभी नहीं रेस्ट्रिक्ट करूंगा. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर. ओके थैंक यू.
Sir, just one question. So basically, what I understand is that the design or the inspiration that we are taking and the design that we are going to do later has to be related to some designer that we are researching on.
Right. Okay. We have to start with either a designer or a design philosophy that we're starting from.
Or so I'm researching on a designer, so I have to make sure that I'm understanding what has been the trend of designs. And I have to work on accordingly on those principles and take an inspiration from that and then fuse all the trends or upcoming trends or the technology that I want to do. So that should be a combination of my inspiration.
Right, right.
All right.
All right. I think Wasim, is there anybody or we can like now meet after 10 days with their work so that I hope all are satisfied and all that.
Yeah, ma'am, it's a beautiful project we have got. Thank you so much.
Very nice, very
We're
nice,
all excited.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. From the core of my heart.
And we really needed it, ma'am. We really needed it.
That's why we said we need to put in
Ma'am,
effort.
this is the time for us where we can recollect all the memories and we can go for a productive work because this is the right time for us to do.
All right. So, all right, guys, we meet on the date now with Jasveer's schedule and we get back.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Wasim sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank